welcome to my channel. I'm Sugar Katie Mystic, and today I want to talk to you about spiritual protection. So if you stick around to the end of this video, we're actually going to do my favorite technique for building spiritual protection for yourself. So if that's something that you want, definitely stick around. The first thing I want to say about spiritual protection is that the best way to protect yourself is to realize that anything that would seek to bring you down is already below you. You are much more powerful than you think you are. It's important for you to understand this because then you can get into the mindset that any negativity that comes your way can actually be used for your highest good. So if you can get into that place, you can step out of the fear of negative energy, and in doing this, you are actually way less vulnerable to things like spiritual attacks, negative energy, and even black magic. So to give you an example of this, good vibes and bad vibes are simply human concepts. When you look at the science of energy, all it is vibrations. All it is E equals mc squared. So if someone were to send you negative energy or negative vibrations, all they're really doing is sending you energy. And it's up to your interpretation how it can be used. So for example, if someone were to be doing something to really make you angry on purpose, they're really trying to grind your gears, you can take this anger that they're giving you and you can use it to smash your goals. You can use it at the gym and exercise your body, using it to care for your physical embodiment. Or you can use it to empower yourself to set really firm and strong boundaries so that you're treated by the people around you the way that you wish to be treated. Any energy has the potential to be good or bad. Any obstacle or challenge you face in your life has the potential to forge you into your best self. It just takes choosing to see it that way. Yet sometimes it can be really hard to get into this mindset. If you're specifically sensitive to energy, receiving a lot of energy can just be an overwhelming experience, whether or not it's positive or negative. So, if this is the case, then doing things to create spiritual protection for yourself and doing things to make yourself feel safer in your current life is definitely going to help you, and it's going to make you feel better. So one of the first things you can do to create protection for yourself is to start by cleansing the energy that is already around you. You can do this by lighting some sage, or my personal favorite, Palo Santo, and going around the corners of your living space, making sure to cleanse the whole area, and then going around yourself and cleansing your own energy body. Another super simple way to cleanse the energy around you is to take an Epsom salt bath or to swim in salt water. And the salt will draw all of the energy that is not yours away and out of you and into the water. So if you want to skip cleansing and get straight into spiritual protection, that will work for you too. Cleansing is just really beneficial when you're feeling overwhelmed. It will clear everything that's not yours from your auric field and reset you back to a more neutral and clear state. But of course, you can always go straight to the protection if that feels better for you. So one of the easiest ways to create a sense of spiritual protection is to think of the things that make you feel safe. So it could be things like warm blankets, tea, maybe a bath, maybe a comedy movie, anything that gives you a sense of safety and security. You want to bring that into your day-to-day life, and that will help you kind of get into the vibration of safety if you're spending each day really consciously creating safe moments for yourself. So now let's get to my favorite technique to create spiritual protection. This is a very simple exercise, and it will help you develop a layer of spiritual armor, which will protect you from anything or anyone who wishes or aims to cause you harm in any way. So you're going to start in a comfortable seated position. This can be in a chair, on the floor, on a pillow, whatever allows you to be nice and relaxed. You're going to close or relax your eyes, slow down your breathing, and tune into your body. Once you're relaxed, you're going to envision a golden light aura surrounding your entire body. This can be as small or as big as you like. It can take up just the space around you or the entire room if you wish. So you're going to visualize this golden aura. If you notice any places of fuzziness or any holes in your aura, you're simply going to purse your lips and slowly exhale like so. As you breathe out, envision that area of fuzziness or that hole as filling with beautiful golden white light. So as you take a moment to fill up your aura with this golden energy, make sure it's strong and full. And once you've done that, you're going to cross your arms in front of your body like so. You're going to sit up straight, tall and confident. And then you're going to repeat the mantra, Kawachaya Hung. As you say hung, you want to pull your belly button up and inwards with the sound so that the vibration is very strong. You can repeat the mantra mentally or out loud, whatever you wish, and you can do it 1, 3, 9, or 11 times, depending on the strength of spiritual armor that you need. So we'll do it 3 times now. So tuning into your body. Kawachaya Hung. Kawachaya Hung. Kawachaya Hung. And then you're going to sit with that energy for a moment, feeling your aura now sealed with Kawach, spiritual armor. Take a few deep breaths and then open your eyes and return to the present moment. Now, like I said, you can do this technique as many times as you want and anytime you want. Anytime you're feeling like you just need a little bit more protection, spend just a couple minutes visualizing this light aura and sealing it with your Kawach. And if you find yourself after doing this out and about somewhere and you're just feeling unsafe and again in need of protection, you can simply repeat the mantra mentally to kind of remind yourself of that boundary that you've already created of safety and protection around you. So yes, I love this technique. I find it works so well. I use it whenever I feel overwhelmed or uncertain and anxious, and it really helps bring me back to that kind of strong and secure sense of being. And the more you do it, the easier you'll find it, and the more you'll be able to really sense that protection. Now, if you're feeling completely out of control with the external events in your life and overwhelmed by things that are happening, it may benefit you to find out what exactly is going on and how you can use that for your highest good. If you're in need of spiritual guidance, you'll probably benefit from a tarot reading. So if you're interested, click on the description box and you can find rates and all that info. And if you want, just send me an email and you can receive your very own personalized tarot reading to help you through whatever situation you are currently in. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. And otherwise, I wish you the best. Have a beautiful day.